I'm Rob Adamson. I'm a professor in electrical and computer engineering at Dalhousie University.
My name is Andrew Michaels, and I'm a fourth-year student in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering here at Dalhousie University.
Computer engineering is really at the intersection of computer science and electrical engineering. If you think about a smartphone and what's inside it, you'll need electrical engineers to design things like the antenna, the speaker, the microphone that are in the phone, and then you'll need computer science people to design the apps, the software that runs on the phone. But then everything in between, that's where computer engineers like to play. Computer engineers are worried about things like the architecture, they're worried about how to manage the resources that they have at their disposal, like the battery lifetime, how are we going to do what we need it to do with the minimal amount of resources, and how do we integrate with all the electronics around it.
I guess what I like most about computer engineering is I get to see elements of both hardware design and software design and how that can come together in practical application. When I started my first year in engineering here at Dalhousie, we had presentations on each of the different disciplines. Some people talking about electrical and computer engineering said, oh, this is the hardest one to do, so I guess I decided that's what I want to do. I thought something that would be challenging could also have larger rewards.
So in going from an option to a degree, we had a hard look at the curriculum that we were offering to our computer engineering students. And what we found is that while we were doing a good job of educating our students with regards to firmware, embedded systems, and microprocessors, we didn't have enough software content. So where we've changed from the option to the degree program, we've added a lot of additional software content. One of the other things we've done in the same vein is to bring in a number of computer science courses as technical electives, so that now our students can learn things like machine learning, like AI, like ubiquitous computing, and basically bring all of those modern computer science concepts into the designs that they build for embedded devices.
So for my last co-op term, I was working at the School of Biomedical Engineering here at Dalhousie with Dr. Adamson. The project we were working on is generating 3D volumes of bone tissue using ultrasound scans. To make the 2D image slices into a 3D volume, there's a lot of computer engineering principles we had to apply. We got to try this out in a clinical setting, working with an orthopedic surgeon, taking images on subjects' hip joints. It was really interesting to see the results. Some advice that I would give to students who want to study engineering: while you're studying, please ask for help. You have instructors, you have TAs who are here to help you. Use the resources that are available to you. You're not going to be going through this alone.